All right, y'all, we're going in Five Below. I have to get my client a gift, you guys. So I gotta see what I'm gonna do. Okay, y'all, so I'm trying to figure out which perfume I'm gonna get her, y'all. All the perfumes low-key smell good, y'all. Tell me this don't look like it's a... Babe, move your hand.
Oh, my bad.
Let me tell you, don't this look like this a dupe? He all in my way. This look like a dupe to that, I can't even think of the name, but I'm gonna Google it before I post this video, and I'm gonna show y'all. But this is the perfume we going with from Five Below, y'all. It smells so good.
Okay, Taurus, I'm gonna send it, Mom.
That just pinched my finger. What that one smell like? Oh, Be Sexy, New York. Y'all, I'm asking my man which perfume. If you walk past a woman smelling this,
smell good too, though. Ooh, that crap smells good too, though, baby.
I can't really smell this one. Hey, this one is broke. I can't spray it. Okay, y'all. I came back from Five Below. Yeah, that was my first time being in there. Well, have I? I've probably been in there one time, went in there for a charger real quick. But y'all, it's nice in there. I definitely have to do another haul. I'm in my married era. What the? So I got her this perfume, y'all. It smells so good. So I think she really gonna like this. And y'all, she loves pajamas. She has so many different pajamas. I should have got her some little cute slippers.
Oh, looking at baby.
So,
Why you brushing?
I should take it off the hanger. I know. But yeah, a Christmas night, because that's one thing she done got. She got a lot of different nightgowns, but I don't think no Christmas one. So I got her the Christmas one with the Christmas pants. So y'all, for her little Christmas, I should have got some paper like to stick out the top. Y'all, and I'm gonna put it in front of her Christmas tree, and then I'm gonna bake my cookies. Since I didn't bake them last night, y'all, that pizza had me in a coma afterwards. That joint was so good. Okay. Baby, this bag actually too big for this little bit of stuff. I'm gonna have to I'm gonna throw some more stuff in there. Hopefully she
don't. Get the paper stuff and go on top.
Let me... Y'all, this is the little gift exchange at work. I'm gonna go put it in front of her Christmas tree. Oh, go get me a pencil off and write my name.
That, baby?
Oh, okay, in the kitchen, it's right there, soon as by the light, it's a bowl full of pens. So yeah, I'll be back. I'm gonna show y'all me putting it in front of her tree. Stacey, you want me to put your thing under the tree? This for you. You want me to put it under the tree? You gonna open it Christmas? Look at Brady. Y'all, this is her gift. Alright, y'all, we finna bake our cookies. So we got the these were sugar cookies, Christmas tree, and then my favorite chocolate chip. So hold on, I need me some spray for this. Got that pan bacon spray. I wonder, do I need to put these in separate things? So this say 350, 350. Okay, 10 to 12 minutes. It's about the same. So y'all, I'm gonna bake just a few of each. Y'all, this smells too good. This already smells like cake. Little cookie, sugar cookie. This is good. Yeah, I already got my oven preheating. You want a snack, baby boy? Huh? Yeah, wait till after I'm done with this cooking. You just roll them things out just like that. Okay, that's gonna turn over this thing. Gotta get him a little bit of space in between. Yo, what is y'all favorite cookie? Cause mine definitely is chocolate chip. I'm gonna do oh, and that's some more. Yeah, and I'm gonna make my hot chocolate. Oh my goodness, I took my hot chocolate home. Oh my goodness, I was trying to make my hot chocolate with my thing. So yeah, this is my cookies in the pan. Yeah, and these things gonna go in the oven so we can eat them. My oven's already preheated. So yeah, I'll be back when it's time to eat my cookies. Y'all, I'm so sad. I really want to go home just to go get my hot chocolate. Cause I bought whipped cream, then I bought the extra peppermint to go on top. Like I really thought I was doing something. Well, alright, you guys, this is day 10 of Vlogmas. It was a real short day. Oh, and I went bowling today too. I didn't even record bowling. But y'all, yes, I'll be back when it's time to eat the cookies. I'll be back. Alright, y'all, let me see. Yo, they smell so good. I'm gonna let them cool for a couple of minutes before. Yeah, I'm making, what am I making? Cookies. Then I'm making chicken scrubs. Y'all, so that is day 10 of Vlogmas. Y'all, so we went bowling today. Then I went Christmas shopping for my client to get her gift. Now I'm just cooking and baking cookies for the rest of the night. Then I'm gonna watch me some movies and then call it a night and be ready for day 11 of Vlogmas. So y'all already know what it is. Until next time, bye.